2:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Martin Dam, or 7 miles north of Tallahassee, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Camp Hill, Notafolga, Waverly, Martin Dam, Southern Lake Martin, Still Waters Resort, Locapoca, Roxana, Blue Creek Marina, Reeltown and Yates Reservoir. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Tallapoosa, Alabama,